Timmins rather than here.
Yeah, Altringham's got the... Is there any cowboys in Altrincham? Or cowgirls? A lot of cowgirls, yeah. Not many cowboys. Well, we're cowboys. We've just blown in from different places, you know.
I'm a cowman.
Cowman.
I sniff cowgum. I'm a cowboy. I'm a cowboy.
I'm not even going to ask what you said then, Chris.
You can't get Boston anymore. Anyway, good night. It's been lovely to see you. This is a song. It's a song that we last October we went out to a place in Herefordshire. Am I right, on the Welsh borders, and we spent a week there. Right, we did some serious drinking, and occasionally some songwriting broke out.
But it happened during the drinking as well. So I've got the recordings, or some of them, when it's just hilarious. But this came up. This song came up.
Yeah, but we just started singing this literally around the fireplace, didn't we? Like a bunch of old cowmen.
That's it.
And this is a song by John Prine. It's called Speed of the Sound of Loneliness. Come on late and you come on early. Come on big when you feel small. You come on straight and you come on curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. So what in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Well, I got a heart that burns with a fever, and I got a word in just mine. And how can a love that lasts forever get left so far behind? What in the world has come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. Out there running just to be on the run. Finding me in a dreadful sorrow. Cross the evil line today. Talk about tomorrow. We ain't got one word to say. What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Out there running just to be on the run.